Okay, so we got a 69 Chevelle, the 396 big block that we're about to pull out, do the transmission on it. We're not sure exactly what transmission we're going to put in it yet, but once we pull everything out, which is what we're doing, engine and tranny's got to come out. We're going to refresh it up, put some kind of EFI setup on it. So this thing should be pretty nice once we get it all back up and running. So we're going to pull it out right now. Got some of the boys here helping wrench on it, and should be a pretty sweet ride once it's all put together. Modernize things a little bit better, make it a nice daily driver, reliable car. And we'll do that. Right now they're disconnecting some of the hoses, the battery, the AC compressor lines. Got to get the carburetor out, just get it ready to pull out the engine and trans. All right, we'll do that. Go ahead and pull the motor and trans out together, lifting it, jacking it up, took the intake off, some of the other stuff here and there. We're not going back with a lot of stuff, so we're changing a lot of new parts. So we'll get this out right now, and then I'll get back to video once we get it out. It's pretty nasty. Success! Finally got the motor out, and it's pretty dirty. We're gonna put aluminum heads on it, put a little bigger cam, maybe a roller cam, I'm not too sure. Roller rockers, all brand new parts, full bottom end. It's gonna have a new built. I don't think we're gonna put anything forged though, just stock internals, maybe pistons, just to get the compression ratio where we want it at. But it's out now. There's a big home for the new motor, and we'll get to disassembling this, and then we'll take it to the machine shop and have them machine it and do all their good stuff to it. And then once we get it back from there, we'll assemble it, get all the parts for it, and start ordering all that stuff here shortly. So I'll keep you updated in the next one. So here it is. Until next time.